Hey, have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Big Buff, Buffalo picker? Yeah, defending the hustle on Friday nights, him in Glass City. Have you ever heard of Fundamentals of the Side Hustle with Regina Michelle? Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage, Flip, Garage, The Shed, whatever? Ha ha! Woo! And it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo! That we pick in the hood too. Yeah! I gotta get used to this driving and talking, y'all. Hey, this is another Freaky Friday. Freaky Friday. It's another one. I got 5 items to come be a quick video. I got 5 items that nothing is over $50. I mean, I think I got 1 item that's over $51. But anyway, let's get to it, y'all. The first item, I'll turn y'all around. The first item is a Becca, whatever that is, the one performing perfecting brush. It's a makeup brush. I sold that for $16 and $2 shipping on that. Next up is a Gibson 1991 Campbell's Kids Soup Pot. It's all porcelain. I sold that for $22, $6 shipping and handling. Next up, that was number 4. Next up, okay, that should have been number 3. But anyway, this is number 3 right now. A Serious Kenmore sewing machine kit. It's got the patterns, the stitch patterns and stuff in it. I paid $2 for that. I sold it for $20.50, $5 shipping and handling. Next up, number 2 is a Artist Loft alcohol base marker holder. Yeah, it's whole markers. I sold that for $21.70, $4 shipping and handling. I paid $1 for that, I think. And last up, it's a universal pump repair kit. I sell these all the time. I think this is my last one, and this is the biggest one. It's sold for $51, and I got free shipping on it. I paid $1.50 for this thing, and I done sold all of them. I had about 20 of them, and I sold every last one of them. So anyway, y'all, that's my Freaky Friday. Y'all have a good weekend. You know, it's supposed to be nice in St. Louis this weekend. I'm finna go look for my wife a car. So I took tomorrow off. I'm not gonna do no work on Saturday. I turned down some jobs so I could take her to Chicago and try to pick up she wanted a Mercedes. Anyway, y'all, so this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace. Freaky Fridays.